Hello folks, it's Clutch Builder here, and today I am going to be showing you my 100% LEGO fully automatic train crossing. This video is going to be sort of a cross between sort of a mock showcase and a tutorial. There's going to be links in the description to some instructions for how you can make your own LEGO train crossing, and also a link to the EV3 program that I use to run all of this. So let me show you how this works. So first thing, you need to start the EV3 program, and now it is running. So this here is the detector. When the train passes in front of it, these gates will lower, and it'll wait, and then the gates will raise. So let's test it out. Train comes by, the gates lower, and in this case I've set it to wait for 10 seconds for the train to pass. That's probably going to be a little bit long for your train if you make this. And then the gates go back up, and the program continues running for when the train makes its next loop around. Now that I've shown you how this works, let's get into how you can make one for yourself. First, you will need a LEGO train track, a road for your train track to cross, and some tiles and plates and such for your cars to drive over the train track. Next thing is you'll need to build up these gate assemblies here. The instructions for these can be found in the description, and there should also be a little eye symbol in the top right corner of your screen right now, and either of those links will take you to instructions on how you can build these motor assemblies. And the next thing you'll need is this sensor. I'm using the infrared EV3 sensor, and I've just put that on a mount, and it's about 4 studs away from the tracks. And once you have all those things set up, you need the program for your EV3 brick to run. Obviously that has to be connected to the infrared sensor and the 2 medium motors. So if you want to make your own program, you can do that. Or I have also made my own program that you can download. You'll find links to that again in the description, and also up in the top right corner of your screen right now on the eye icon. I'd like to point out that this is a fairly simple LEGO train crossing. If you know a little bit about Technic and EV3, feel free to make your own version of this with perhaps one detector on either side of the crossing, so you can have a train go either way, or maybe you can make it so that it will tell you how long the train is and adjust the weight accordingly. This is, as I said, just one simple version that I came up with. And now, to help give you a better idea of how this crossing would work in an actual real LEGO city, I'm gonna take this demo setup apart, and I'm gonna show you what this looks like in my LEGO city. And here we are in the city. As you can see, I've set up all the parts for the automatic train crossing. I've got one gate here, one gate there, the EV3 brick, and way over there we've got the detector. Obviously, you can do a much better job of hiding the brick and the wires than I have, but this is just an example. So now let's run this train around the loop and across the crossing to demonstrate how this works. Anyways, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.